Hi everyone, how are you all? I know life is pretty busy and we all have so much work to do, but we all meet here in the same space without knowing and caring about our personal identities. And it's a beautiful combination of us, and I'm very thankful for it. At the starting point of the eyebrow, the hair tend to grow upwards. Towards the middle, they grow slightly outwards, and finally, at the end of the eyebrow, the hair typically grows downwards. You can also use this method whenever you draw hair, whether it's on the head, the eyelashes, or the eyebrows. This is the natural way hair grows. The roots of the hair are a little thicker while the ends are very thin. Hair also grows in various directions and usually overlaps each other. So please keep in mind I try to apply more pressure at the beginning of the hair and then gradually decreases the pressure as I draw towards the end of the hair. Also growing in various directions and overlapping each other. This creates a beautiful play of hair that comes to life with our hands and make sure that your hand is in a comfortable position. The darkest areas of the eyebrows are where all the hairs meet together, so I increased my pencil grade from a 4B to 6B. And please be careful with softer pencils because they produces a lot of graphite and I have to keep sharpening my pencil again and again. I try to keep coming back to basics because this is where we all started. It's something that makes us more grounded and it's so comfortable. It might be a bit difficult in the beginning. This means your hands need a practice and will learn that they are capable of creating something that can boost your confidence not just mentally but also physically. It will increase the confidence in the movement of your hands and your eyes, leading to a better understanding of lines, flow, and softness in your drawing. As we can see, the hair is very smooth kind of texture, so I always use a soft paintbrush to remove the harshness of the strokes, because the hair is very smooth kind of texture. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you so much for your support. If you have any question, please leave a comment below. See you in my next video. Bye.